Hi and welcome to Beautiful Within. So today I'm going to talk about the best face scrubs according to me that are there in the market and which you should definitely invest in. Firstly, talking about face scrubs, you should scrub your face twice a week, twice to thrice a week. Scrubbing is required just after washing to remove the excess impurities and the dead skins that get accumulated on your face. In our day-to-day lives, we all have tough lives. Basically 2 to 3 times a week is when you should work on taking away those dead skin cells. Always scrub your face in a circular, gentle kind of a motion. Do not rub your face excessively because it might cause abrasions. And do not scrub your face daily. There are daily scrubs available in the market, but I advise against it because you are going to harm your skin in the long run. Your skin needs time to get all the moisture intact, and if you scrub it daily, the moisture is also going to go away with it. So now, without further ado, talking about my favorite scrubs. The first is my holy grail, which is the Aryan Veda Apricot Scrub. I guess I gave it away also in one of my giveaways. This is a really good apricot kind of a scrub. This is paraben free, of course, and this will not leave your skin very dry because it has some essential oils, which is why it will keep your skin soft as well. So it is a basic apricot scrub, but better than the regular Everuse scrub which is available in the market because it leaves your skin very soothing and soft. So this is the first one. I'll link all the prices down below, so not to worry. Second one is again a favorite. It is the Squeaky Clean Scrub Tea Tree Scrub from the Body Shop. Now this one is very suitable for oily and blemished skin. For those people who do not have an oily blemished skin, this might not work very well with you, while the Aryan Veda will work on all skin types. This is a little bit strong. So if you do not have blemished skin or oily skin, you might find it a tad bit heavy on your skin. But for oily skin, blemished skin girls like me, my sisters, please do go ahead, invest in it and use it, because this out here is going to make your skin feel really clean after you've applied this. And of course it definitely works on blemishes. So if you're working with the Squeaky Clean cleanser, which is their face cleanser, and you're topping it up with this will make sure your blemishes go away in time, and also it will make your skin get really fresh because of the tea tree effect. So for oily and blemished skin girls, do invest in this one. Third one is the O3 Milk Scrub. Now this also works on all skin types. I have oily skin and this works on me also. There's a misconception that milk does not work good on oily skin. I would advise against it because if you're using milk in right proportions, this really works very well and gives your skin the moisture and the essential oil that it requires without making it a tad bit too oily. They say it's a skin polisher and I agree to it. Now this O3 Milk Scrub works really good for the blackhead and whiteheads on your nose if you have any. So for scrubbing that or for removing that, this baby works real wonders. It is not very pricey as well, and of course it will give you that a tad bit glow to your skin due to milk, which is really perfect for any skin type. Dry skin girls, it will be your best friend. Oily skin girls also, twice a week it will not harm you at all, and it will definitely work on removing blackheads and whiteheads. Fourth is again an apricot face scrub, but it is very beneficial for normal to dry skin. I would advise oily skin ladies not to use it, but use it just once a week. This is the apricot face scrub for SOS Organics. Now SOS Organics is a brand which makes completely natural products. Their products are preservative free, like no chemicals at all. They use essential oils, beeswax, such kind of things. But of course then the shelf life is 12 months only. You can't keep it for more than 12 months. I'll show you the consistency of this scrub. Look at the consistency, look at the oil which is there, look at the actual apricot particles. They've literally crushed the apricots and kept it. It's a little bit heavy for my oily skin girls, so whenever you're using it, make sure wiping your face off pretty well. But it is going to give your skin the glow that nothing else can give you. Definitely it works very well on impurities and dead skin cells, but the glow that comes on the face after using it. Dry skin girls, it will be your best friend. Oily skin ladies also, once a week try and use this one. because it just gives that radiance to your skin. So this is something that I would really recommend everyone to try at least once. SOS Organics are available on Amazon and I guess on Flipkart as well, and they also have a site which I'll link down below. Do invest in this scrub. Last one is a favorite. It is a tester. It is the Kama Ayurveda Kumkumadi scrub. So it has of course saffron and turmeric, which is why it's known as Kumkumadi, and it has almond, walnut shell powder, glycerin, licorice, goat's milk, all good things basically. Good for all skin types. I have used I got 2 testers, so this is the second tester that I'm using. I might purchase the full bottle also once I'm done with all the scrubs that I've shown you. But it is really good for the skin, very good for removing skin impurities. Also because of the saffron, it gives your skin a little bit of detanning also, like it removes the tan also while you're scrubbing, which is why it's really good if you want a detan kind of a scrub. These were my 5 best scrubs that I feel are available in the market. Do let me know which ones are your favorites as well, what all you use. But I really like all these 5 scrubs. They're very dear to my heart. I keep on replacing them also, like getting new replacements of them whenever I finish them. So I hope you liked the video. I hope it helped. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, thank you very much. Bye.